So the Diesels, everyone loves hot sauce, but not everyone makes a good hot sauce. So today we're making Crazy Chef hot sauce. Big vibes. So as always, before I drop this video, hit that like button. So what I do is I took some Scotch bonnets, some habanero, and I blended that with some oil and some vinegar. I'm gonna set that aside, and I'm gonna put some garlic and some thyme, because see, we want our hot sauce to be hot, but we want our hot sauce to be flavorful. So just imagine hot sauce with flavor and taste. You don't get that anywhere. But today you're getting that with the Crazy Chef hot sauce. So we pureed our garlic and our thyme. And for my base of my hot sauce, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dice up some plum tomatoes. So chop up my tomatoes, and I'm gonna saute that up with some extra virgin olive oil, and that's gonna be the base of our sauce. So I'm not gonna list the ingredients to get this recipe. Watch the video to the end, because at the end of the video you're gonna see that secret ingredient that I use to make my hot sauce super good. So chop up my tomatoes. In my hot pan I put some oil. So some oil in my pan, and I put my tomatoes, saute those, let those cook up, and then I'm gonna chop up some red onion. Very good for the hot sauce, the red onion. It add a little sweet and it add a little zest. So chop up some red onion fine. So we're gonna finely chop some red onion. And after we chop up our red onion, we're gonna add it to our tomatoes, and then we're gonna add some vinegar and some more oil, and we're gonna let that slowly cook up. So as I said, chop up some red onions, and then we're gonna add that to our tomatoes. Big vibe with the Crazy Chef hot sauce. And as I said, this hot sauce doesn't burn. This hot sauce adds flavor, adds value, and taste to your dish. So Crazy Chef, big vibe. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna slowly cook my onions. Medium heat. You don't want to burn those onions. As I said, add a little oil, a little bit of vinegar, and let that rip. So then I'm gonna take some bell peppers. I'm gonna clean them, and then I'm gonna dice them up, and then we're gonna work on our sauce. So bell peppers, big part of the vibe. Big part of the vibe with the bell peppers. So take some bell peppers, we're gonna clean them up, and we're gonna add it to the vibe. So hit that like button if it's your first time here. Hit that red subscribe button. As I said, we bring vibe. Crazy Chef, big vibe with the Crazy Chef hot sauce. And this sauce is good. You leave it in your refrigerator, stays long time. So as I said, big vibe with the Crazy Chef hot sauce. So we're gonna chop up our bell peppers, and then we're gonna work on our sauce. So as I said, can't leave this video hanging because you won't know the ingredients. Can't leave this video hanging because you won't know that special vibe that I put in the hot sauce to gives it that finesse. So big vibe with the hot sauce. After I dice up all my bell peppers, I'm gonna put that aside, and we're gonna season the hot sauce and give it that vibe. So Crazy Chef, like, share, subscribe to the vibe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that the vibe is big over here. So we've chopped up our sauce, or condiments, sorry, and we're gonna add our habanero, or pureed garlic, and or thyme to our tomatoes. We're gonna stir that in, and we're gonna add some brown sugar. So we're gonna stir that in, and as I said, medium heat. We'll add some brown sugar, and we're gonna add some guava jelly. So we add some brown sugar, add some guava jelly, and then we're gonna let that reduce. Add a little salt and pepper for taste, and we're gonna let that reduce. And you have to be careful of your judgment, because remember, you can't taste it, it's hot. And what you're gonna do now is you're gonna add your hot mixture to your condiments. So bell peppers, some scallion, you add the hot mixture, you're gonna stir, you're gonna let it sit uncovered overnight. So hot mixture, you're gonna stir that in so everything is nice, blended and good, and then you're gonna leave it uncovered overnight. And I guarantee you, the best hot sauce you'll ever have. You can put this on anything. That's my slogan. So a little bit of fresh lemon and we're good to go. Perfect. You can add some more oil or you can add some more vinegar. Either way, this is the best hot sauce you'll ever had. Guaranteed. You can put it on anything. Delicious. So leave this overnight. You're good to go. Crazy Chef, big vibe with the hot sauce. As always, like, share, and subscribe to The Vibe.